We're back again today, guys, from Mr. C Auto Mart with another new arrival. We have a 2014 Kia Soul. So this is the newer body style. And you see it has the GDI 4-cylinder engine. If we move around the car here, it has aluminum wheels with black overlays, beautiful wheels, and black trim on the front fender and on the rear quarters here and the back. Here's the, I'm going to look at the wheels, and then we have the back compartment here. This Kia Soul Wagon is in beautiful condition. That's the rear compartment. These seats fold down so that you can extend the cargo space. Here's the back seat. And then if you want to extend one side or the other, you can do it very simply. And that gives you lots of room in the back. If you need extra room and you need this type of versatility, you can't do much better than this. This has extremely good gas mileage, up to 39 miles on the highway. So we go around the passenger side of the car. It has the tinted glass. It's in very, very, very nice condition. And as we roll around here, we're getting a new hood emblem for the front. It should arrive when the car just came. And we see that the driver's seat is height adjustable. We have these nice dashboard mounted speakers that come with the Soul. That's new to 2014. Here's your climate control, your media center, USB port, aux. It has Bluetooth, and here's the mileage. And we'd invite you to come by. The mileage, as you see, is 119,000. And we have this advertised for around 10,700. It really runs good. We did do a fully serviced the Wagon. It has brand new rear brakes, oil change, and a certified CAR-FAX history. So come on by, take a look. And this is Ed again from Mr. C's Auto Mart on July 8th. And our number, or my direct number, is 708-389-9911. Thanks.